All right, what is up, everybody? So I wanted to show you all my money tree today. Here is a little shot of my money tree where I usually leave it to grow. And here's just a little montage. I wanted to show you all some of the old leaves, the new leaves that seem to be perking up a little bit, that dry leaf. And I also wanted to show you a little bit of this thing that I don't know what it is, but I want to get rid of from my plant. I think it might be some sort of virus that it has or some sort of thing. So all I do is just snip it. I want to make sure that whatever this is isn't being transmitted to the rest of the leaves. It looks a little strange with 4 out of the 6 leaves, but I would rather have it like this than have a virus coming at it. And here I want to show you a bit of the soil. I want to pull out a little bit and just show you how the soil looks like, the moisture level. I pulled out a little clump of dirt, and as you can see, it still kind of sticks together, and I'm able to put it in my palm and kind of keep it all together so it doesn't disintegrate into smaller chunks. And here's the draining hole that I have for it. It's fairly big so that not so much water stays in there. And here's how I water it. I do have these little 3D printed things with 3 little holes inside of them. What I do is I just unscrew them from a regular water bottle. I fill it up with as much water as I want and then screw the cap back on. So once the cap is back on, as you can see, it has 3 little holes that water comes out of. I just stick that into the ground, and then gravity and physics will squeeze the bottle. This makes it so that the deeper soil stays moist and the water doesn't stay at surface level or on the sides. I do miss the top of my plant whenever I see it dry or dirty, but other than that, this is how I take care of my plant. Thank you for watching.